ganitong episode na ipapalabas this March. Ang former PBB Double Up housemates na sina Paul Jake, Johan, Hermes, Tom, Rika, Sam, Cassie at Patria, todo nagpa-sexy talaga. Ang mga boys, pawang naka-board shorts at topless, while the girls are all in their sexy swimsuits.
For that Victoria, we're supposed to be on the beach. So, yun, the scene is gonna be in the beach, so we had to wear board shorts and no shirt.
Dahil dito, ang tanong ngayon ng marami, ready to go daring na nga ba ang mga dating boarders ni Kuya? Handa na ba silang magpa-sexy ng tuluyan?
Hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi ayoko o hindi mangyayari. Pero for now, siguro kailangan ko talagang mas pagandahin pa yung katawan ko. Kumbaga, mas maging matoned pa, kumbaga, para mawala yung fat spots, yung belly fat. And gusto ko rin makita sa mga magazine na magganon sa sana.
I don't have the body for a sexy star. And if ever I do, I don't know if I can do that. So, if kaya, then why not?
Naku, nakakagulat dito, boy, kasi si Paul Jake hesitant siya mag-artista, ha? Pero he's doing your song.
No, but when he said that I don't have the body of a movie star, but he has the eyes of a
And he
movie
has the
star.
charisma.
Ganda, no?
Oo.
Ibang appeal. Okay.
Naku, eto na.